Sons and daughters shall be saved, shall be saved, shall be saved. Sons and daughters shall be saved.